welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So now in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called Quick and Easy Meals, and this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Buckeye Girls Recent Things. Now hosting with us today is Deborah Cabasa, Home Living. Now this collaboration is hosted every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Just grill or cook breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever it is that you decide to do, including baking desserts, and upload your video and we will be more than happy to add you to the playlist. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart. Now I hope you guys enjoy the sounds of nature because I have my slider open as I'm doing this video. Okay, so let's get to what I'm making today. So I had some chicken cutlets marinating. I decided to make a cream sauce with lemon and some mushrooms, and that's what I'm serving for you guys today. Now I don't normally measure, but I will tell you what ingredients I'm using. Now I am starting out with some olive oil. I put some mushrooms inside of the pan with some chicken stock, and we are starting to cook this chicken. What you saw me do is just kind of slice down the middle of that chicken cutlet just so the cooking time would cut down some. Okay, so I need to add a little bit more chicken stock, turn the chicken cutlet over, and continue letting it steam through. Squeezing some lemon in here. We're going to add some sour cream, and we're also going to add some heavy cream. Now the adjustment of the thickness is totally up to you. So I added maybe a half a container of sour cream, and I did add maybe a quarter cup of the heavy cream. And then I did add some more chicken stock. Now it looks like the chicken is done. I'm gonna go ahead and plate this for you, and then I guess we're ready to head on over to the reveal. Now, doesn't this look absolutely delicious? Oh my goodness, it tastes absolutely amazing. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy preparing it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.